Today I'm going to teach you how to solve an equation by using the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is a polynomial equation of the second degree, as stated, negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And this equation gives solutions of the general quadratic equation ax plus bx plus c equals 0. In order to find the numbers to place into the quadratic formula, you will dissect the general form at a, b, and c, and place them in. An example of how to dissect would be 2x squared plus 4x minus 3 equals 0. You have the 2 being a, the 4 being b, and the negative 3 being c. With the understanding of those concepts, we can go ahead and attempt to solve by using quadratic formula for x squared minus 4x equals 1. First, you need to take note that it is not set to 0. All of these equations must be set to 0 to be able to complete. We can set this to 0 by subtracting 1 from both sides, and this will give us x squared minus 4x minus 1 equals 0. Now you're going to want to find the numbers that will place a, b, and c, and then you can go ahead and put it into the quadratic formula. We have x squared alone, meaning that it will be 1 for a, negative 4 for b, and then we have negative 1 for c. So we can place this all in, and we have 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 squared, which is 16, negative 4 squared, which is 16. And then we have minus 4 times 1 times negative 1 over 2. Now the negative 4 times the negative 1 will give you a positive 4. So it'll be 16 plus 4 under the square root. So we have 4 plus or minus the square root of 20 over 2. Now when taking the square root of 20, you take the square of 4 and pull it out. So we would have 2 to the square root of 5. Now so far we have 4 plus or minus 2 to the square root of 5 over 2, which will simplify to 2 plus or minus the square root of 5. If you have any type of simplification, you can go right ahead and take that out, because we want this to be as simple as possible. Your solution set will be 2 minus the square root of 5 and 2 plus the square root of 5. And that, my friends, is how you solve an equation by using the quadratic formula.